What's going on, Chemical Guys family? Thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Detail Garage. If you've been following our flow chart and our mini series on this Hummer, you've seen that we've already washed it and we've also removed the wrap and polished it. And now today we've been going over the small details and intricate areas because there's always that kind of lingering dust and mist areas. So that's what we're doing today by cleaning up all the door jambs as well as the plastic pieces and also reviving some of those metal components that have lost their luster due to oxidation and staining. Starting off with nonsense, we worked our way around the vehicle, cleaning up any of the plastic and rubber trim. All that kind of stuff got caked on with years of dirt and grime, and that makes it really chalky and it makes it look really nasty. So by using all the details brush, we gently scrubbed away any of the contamination and any kind of filth and revived that factory look. Then also using our speed wipe, we've worked our way from the top to bottom, cleaning up the gloss paint while also enhancing some of that shine. Speed wipe is also great for cleaning your glass and your gloss wheels. As you see, we have these large panel glasses, so we wanted something that was going to gently clean it without leaving any kind of streaks. So we used our speed wipe with a very soft microfiber towel to remove any of the light dust or water spots, bird droppings, or any other kind of contamination, and it gently glides off the surface without scratching. Speed wipe is great for just removing anything on the surface while also enhancing gloss, but then you're going to follow it up with any kind of glazed sealant wax or ceramic to give your car the ultimate shine and protection. Now, this vehicle is meant to be taken off-road where it's going to get dirty and muddy, but there's some things that have stained the surface of those metal pieces, and over the years they've oxidized and changed the whole look. So as you saw, we took off the step and it started off by using heavy metal polish with the rotary polisher. This helped to knock down the years of oxidation and staining and helped to revive that finish. And then using light metal polish, we refined that finish to restore some of that shine and also add some protection. If you want to learn more about these products, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, or the local Detail Garage. And if you have any comments or questions, be sure to drop them down below. And as always, we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.